Okay, let's now talk about power of a product. So what the power of a product rule says is that if you have two numbers or variables inside the parentheses raised to an exponent, then that exponent goes to both a and b inside the parentheses, or it goes to both letters or numbers inside the parentheses. So you end up with a to the m times b to the m. Another example is xy, x times y, so you're going to take the 3, and it's going to be x to the third and y to the third. Okay, let's talk about the first example given to us. We have simplify each expression using a power of a product property and simplify. So we have 5x to the fourth. So that means I need to do 5 to the fourth times x to the fourth, and then I'm going to put parentheses around that to the fourth. So I actually have to use the property that we used in the earlier video, the power of a power property. So before I simplify, let's just keep going. I have 5 to the fourth, I'll figure out what that is in a second, times x to the, and if I use power of a power rule, like I just went over in the last video, 4 times 4 is 16. Now all I need to know is what 5 to the fourth power is. So that means I have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. That's 25. That's another 25. And 25 times 25 is 625. So my answer is 625 x to the 16th power. And there you've had it. I have completed the power of a product property.